this is how you do a Lewis dot structure. I'm going to do NF3, and to start out, the easiest thing to do is to make a chart. So in the first column you have the element, so you'd have N and F. Second column you have the number of atoms, so you'd have 1 and 3, because nitrogen has 1 and fluorine has 3. Then next you have the number of electrons they have, and to find this out you look at the periodic table and you count how many boxes over it is. So like nitrogen is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So nitrogen has 5. And fluorine is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then the next column is how many electrons they want. And all elements want 8, except hydrogen wants 2. So then the next column is need, how many electrons they need. And to find this out, you look at the have and the want. So if nitrogen has 5 and it wants 8, it needs 3. And fluorine has 7 and wants 8, so it needs 1. So then next you need to find out the total valence electrons. And to find this out, you multiply the number of atoms by how many electrons they have. So for nitrogen you do 1 times 5 and equals 5. And then fluorine is 3 times 7 equals 21. So you add those two numbers, so 21 plus 5 equals 26. So the total valence electrons is 26. Okay, so next you need to, you just write out the elements, and I'm going to put N in the middle, and I'm going to surround it by 3 F's. So it looks like this. Okay. So, okay. So nitrogen has 5, so I'm going to go ahead and put 5 electrons around nitrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And fluorine, each of the fluorines wants 7, so I'm going to put 7 around every F. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So right now the structure looks like this. Okay, and so now I'm going to connect the electrons that I can. So I'm going to connect that with that, that to that, and that to that. Okay, and now because every element can only have, a maximum, or they all want 8, so you can have no more or no less than 8 electrons around it. So I'm going to make sure that every element in the structure has 8 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so every element has 8, so we're good there. And then next you need to make sure that the total valence electrons is 26. So you count the total electrons of the whole structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So each element has 8 electrons, and the total structure the whole Lewis dot structure has a total of 26 valence electrons. So this is the final Lewis dot structure.